Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is an Indesit washing machine. It's a WIXL133. I'm going to show you how to do the lint filter today. Down here in the front there's a plastic panel with a screwdriver or a butter knife from the kitchen or something like that. Just reach in, pop down the front. There's three little tabs on it. You just have to loosen them off and then lift this out. It kind of snaps out or clips out. It's getting caught on something here. That's what it looks like there, little plastic tabs. Just pop them out, and then over here on the right hand side is the filter. Just give that a twist with your hand. This one's rather stuck. Oh dear, have to get something on there. I've got an adjustable spanner here. This is very rare that you would need to do this. Let's just put that in and try and give that a twist. Yeah, that's enough. It's just to overcome the initial friction there. It feels like there's something in there. It's getting a bit stuck. Feels like it's jumping past something. Yeah, that's all it is. There's a hair clip in there. Let's put that down there. Anything else? Have a feel with my finger. The water looks good and clear, and I'll reach in and have a feel that the impeller pump is clear. If you were doing this indoors, you may well want to put down a towel or baking tray underneath it or something like that to catch any drips. To finish, close that up again. You could give it a clean if you wanted under the tap, but that one's pretty clean. And we'll take the front, offer up the tabs in the bottom, snap it in place, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Any questions or comments, leave them below. See you later.